10 steps for planting beets in pots is a straightforward process
that allows you to grow this delicious and nutritious root vegetable, even in limited space. Here's a step-by-step guide: planting beets in pots. 1. Select the right container. Choose a pot or container that is at least 8-12 inches deep and has drainage holes at the bottom to prevent waterlogging. Beets have taproots that require ample space to grow, so a deeper pot is preferable. 2. Choose a suitable potting mix. Fill the container with a high-quality potting mix that is loose, well-draining, and rich in organic matter. Avoid using heavy garden soil, as it may compact in containers and hinder root growth. 3. Sow beet seeds. Plant beet seeds directly into the prepared potting mix. Make shallow furrows or holes in the soil, spacing the seeds about 1-2 inches apart. Cover the seeds lightly with soil and gently pat them down. 4. Watering. Water the soil thoroughly after planting to ensure good seed-to-soil contact. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged throughout the growing season. Watering regularly is crucial, especially during hot weather, to prevent the soil from drying out. 5. Placement. Place the container in a sunny location where the beets will receive at least 6-8 hours of sunlight per day. Beets can tolerate partial shade, but they will grow best in full sun. 6. Thinning. Once the beet seedlings emerge and develop their first true leaves, thin them out to allow enough space for the remaining plants to grow. Space the seedlings 3-4 inches apart to give them room to mature. 7. Fertilizing. Beets are moderate feeders and benefit from a balanced fertilizer or compost application before planting. You can also top dress the soil with compost or a slow-release fertilizer during the growing season to provide additional nutrients. 8. Pest and disease control. Monitor the beet plants regularly for signs of pests such as leaf miners or aphids, as well as diseases like powdery mildew or damping off. Control pests and diseases promptly using organic methods such as insecticidal soap or neem oil. 9. Harvesting. Beets are typically ready for harvest 7-9 weeks after planting, depending on the variety and growing conditions. Harvest them when they reach their desired size, usually about 1-3 inches in diameter. Use a sharp knife or garden shears to cut the beets just above the soil line. 10. Succession planting. To extend your beet harvest, sow seeds in succession every 2-3 weeks throughout the growing season. This will ensure a continuous supply of fresh beets for your culinary needs. By following these steps, you can successfully grow beets in pots and enjoy their earthy flavor and tender texture in salads, soups, and other dishes. Experiment with different beet varieties to discover your favorites.